Hi there, colleagues. This is an instructional video to show you how to access the documents for our candidates' applications who are applying to the GSU program for admission. So remember, we're going to start with from the faculty portal. So let's kind of start from there. I'm going to log in. You remember that SLATE is on the left-hand column over here where it says SLATE CRM. We're going to select that. And then now we're brought to the welcome window of SLATE. Now, in order to access our applicants, we're going to select here in the search bar by typing in one of our applicants' names. So I'm just going to type in one of the applicants' names from the sheet that you were given, or the schedule you were given by Rosa. So let's click on that. And then we're brought to the applicants page. And notice there are 3 tabs going across the top here. We're going to select the 2021 Graduate Awaiting Materials tab. And then what comes up is just a preview of what the applicant has or has not submitted. If you're looking over here to the far right, you can see that there's an option that says Read Application. That's what we want to select. By doing so, you're brought to the window for that applicant, and then you can kind of page through the person's application by using your arrow key on your keyboard. So you can see here, I've gone back and forth here between they're applying to the program, school psych, they heard from a friend or relative, so on and so forth. Okay, and to the left side over here, you can see that there are options to select each of these components of their application. So you can either tab through using your arrow on the keyboard, or you can select the specific thing that you're interested in by selecting that. So you can select that. And for this applicant, I don't think her recommenders, they submitted something, but it's down below. So we're going to walk through that. So this is the second reference, which is the same thing, but then you select here on transcript, and then you can paginate through using your right arrow key to see what the applicant's academic performance was. And then you can obviously shrink that information, right? And so we can go to the next page of that transcript and zoom in again if we want to, or we can leave it as is. But so if you're interested in seeing the applicant's grades over time, all right, and then we can select the transcript from Governor State. This particular student did take a prerequisite course, Moraine Valley, their transcript there, and then here is the applicant's their statement for why they want to become a school psychologist. This is actually one of the letters of recommendation. And then the last thing here is their statement of character, which gives a self-report of whether they've had any contact with the law. All right. So in order to now, so after we review the application, you don't have to do anything further. You can then either enter the next name of applicant that you're interested in reviewing, or you can use this little drop down, I think they call this a hamburger, drop down to exit the reader. And then it's gives us the option to exit. We select OK, and then it brings us back to that home page. And then we can again type in a new person's information. And let's just type one in just to show that it works. And here's another applicant. And again, same menu bar comes up. So this is this particular student's information. This is her dashboard. By clicking on that information, this 2021 graduate waiting materials, And then down below here, you can select the option of reading their application. Hope that helps. I'm looking forward to our interviews. I think we've got a great group to talk to, and I hope that we are very successful in admitting some strong applicants. Thanks, and talk to you tomorrow.